Right, so today's the day, Thursday, March the 25th, 2021, and this just arrived in the post from the Royal Mail. AAWireless, the dongle that lets me connect Android Auto to my car wirelessly. And so this has been something with great anticipation. I backed this on Indiegogo in September last year, early September, and this was originally due to ship in December. Anyway, here it is now, end of March. I'm very pleased. So the next step after this little intro is to install it, and that I'll get to in the next couple of days. But I wanted just to mention that it came, and it looks terrific. I'm showing the web page right now that you can see the 22,000 backers almost are behind this project. It's raised over £1.2 million, well in excess of what the target was. So that's terrific. The development has been a journey for everyone, including the backers, judging by all the comments on the backing site. There's over 2,084 as I'm doing this right now. Great communication throughout, I would hasten to add, from Emil, the developer, and his team. So this finally came, as I say, earlier today. Package came to the letterbox from the Royal Mail. That's who was the shipper here in the UK. And it contains this box. I've already opened it. It was shrink-wrapped plastic. Hard to do that bit when I'm holding the phone camera in the other hand. But let me just open it if I can do that. I think it might just need a bit of help. That's it. So in the box, as you've probably seen from others, this is it, USB cable that is designed for this. The actual package itself is beautifully packaged. I have to say it's nicely done. And although it's awkward with just one hand, so hang on a sec, just do that. That's it. And now we can see what it looks like if I take it out of this little package. There you go. There you have it. AAWireless, nice logo. In fact, if you look at that, it's very close to what it looks like on the website. So I'm looking forward to trying this out and experimenting and just enjoying it in my car instead of the wired device. So next video will be the installation.